Hi everybody and welcome back to my studio. So today I'm going to be uploading some artwork onto Etsy for sale, and I thought I would film it so I can show you guys the process that I go through whenever I put something up on Etsy. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any questions feel free to leave them in the comments section and I will try my best to get through them and to answer them. So the first thing that I do is clear a space to take some photographs, and it needs to be near a natural light. These artworks are only small, so if you have quite large artworks, I would suggest taking the photographs outside on a cloudy day. But these pictures are just to upload on my Etsy and my social media, so it doesn't matter too much. I take a range of photos showing the front, the details, and I like to take a picture holding the painting so that people know how big it is. Then I do this for all the different paintings, and it took me about 15 minutes to take all the photographs. Next I upload the photos to my computer, and they need to be edited, because usually my photos come out a little bit dark. So I like to boost the levels, curves, and add some brightness and contrast, and then crop it to a suitable size. The dodge tool in Photoshop is really great for taking out those areas of shadow. And also sometimes I need to adjust the colours if it's a sunny day, because that can add a slightly orange tint to it, which can be misleading. All these different colour settings can be changed in free software as well, and even phone apps these days, so you don't need Photoshop if you haven't got it. It took me quite a while to edit all the pictures, I'd probably say about 40 minutes. Then I wrote a blog post and a newsletter just to tell everybody about the release in case people were interested in purchasing any of the paintings, and you can check out that blog post in the description box, I'll link it right at the top. So I'm currently on my laptop and I'm uploading all the little paintings that I've just photographed. So basically some things that I do when I upload stuff to Etsy, one of the main things is to title your painting things that people would search. Will people that are interested in that painting type in the word flower painting? Or so basically when you add your title, make sure that you add in keywords that people are likely going to search for if they want to find your product. That's like the number one thing I think when uploading stuff to Etsy. Another thing is making sure your photos are bright and making sure that they are in focus, and things that should be relatively simple can actually be difficult to get right, and also making sure that the photo is cropped in the right way. So all these little things are really important when uploading to Etsy, and just some things that I try and do as well. So when I upload them all to Etsy, I also usually do a newsletter, which I will pop a link in the description to, so you can be like added to the newsletter list if you would like to be let know when new things are coming out. Also, I usually put it all across my social media so that people know that those paintings are available, just in case anybody has been sort of waiting for them to come up, so that they get a good chance of getting one. Also, I try and write a blog post on it as well. So there are some things that I usually do to try and get the word out that some new things have gone up in my Etsy shop, and I'm just uploading the last one now. So if you want to get your hands on one of these paintings, then I will link them all in the description box below, and feel free to go and check them out. Even if you don't want to buy one, you feel free to go and check it out and look at the pictures that I've put up and the description and things like that. So that's just a little snippet of what it is I actually do sort of behind the scenes and how long these things take and stuff like that. So I hope that you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.